Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with Mr. Brian Mhlanga. Today we have an exciting review lined up for you. I recently got my hands on the Itel S23 dual SIM smartphone and I'm here to share my thoughts with you. We will start with the display of the Itel S23. The Itel S23 display boasts a 6.6-inch display with 720 by 1600 megapixels resolution, offering an immersive visual experience whether you're streaming your favorite movies, browsing social media, or playing games. The vibrant colors and sharp details will captivate your senses. With an impressive 81.6% screen-to-body ratio, you will enjoy a truly immersive viewing experience without any distraction. When you talk about the Itel S23 processor, powered by a Unisoc Tiger T606 chipset, the Itel S23 delivers smooth and efficient performance. The octa-core processor, consisting of 2x1 GHz Cortex-A75 CPU and 6x1.4 GHz Cortex-A55, ensures a seamless multitasking and fast up launches. No matter what you throw at it, the device can handle it with ease. With 128 GB of internal storage, you will have more enough space to store your favorite apps, photos, videos, and music. Say goodbye to running out of storage and hello to endless possibilities. Itel S23 battery is the long-lasting battery and fast charging. Don't let a dead battery hold you back. The Itel S23 comes with a non-removable 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you have enough power to get through your day. When it's time to recharge, the 10-watt fast charging port gets you back and running on time. Spend less time on charging and more time on exploring the possibilities that the Itel S23 will give you. Now, let's talk about the camera of the Itel S23. The camera is equipped with 50 megapixels rear camera featuring the Samsung ISOCELL JN1 sensor and PDAF technology. The Itel S23 ensures that every photo you take is a masterpiece. From breathtaking landscapes to close-up shots, the camera delivers exceptional clarity and vibrant colors. Plus, with a QVGA AI lens for depth, your portrait shots will have a professional touch. Now, let's talk about the software and user experience. The Itel S23 runs on a latest Android operating system, offering a clean and user-friendly interface. The software is smooth and the overall experience is pleasant. Navigating through apps and settings is intuitive, making it use the S23 might just be perfect choice for you. And that wraps up my review on the Itel S23 dual SIM smartphone. I hope you found this video helpful in making an informed decision. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and content creation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay creative.